Hey, what is up guys, it's Cyber here, back with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be telling you 5 ways that you can improve your gaming setup to impress all your friends. The 5th tip is honestly the most crucial, so stick around till the end of the video. So I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you. So the first way that you guys can improve your setup is to get a fake plant or a real succulent. You can get fake plants at IKEA for around $8 and real succulents at any local grocery store for around $5 to $10. This gives your setup a little bit more life and makes it look a little bit more green. Number 2 is you can get Funko Pops for around $10 per pop on Amazon. These can add some personality, and there's tons of styles from all different games, TV shows, and movies, like Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, Overwatch, and Parks and Rec. These are honestly just the cutest little things, and I have 2 on my setup, and they are quite crucial just to give your setup a little fun feel. So the next thing is you can get LED light strips for around $15 on Amazon. These add a nice glow and are really cool if you want to play at night because it glows whatever color you pick, and you can pick that color to match your computer. Like, you can have a theme color. My theme color is red, so your headset could match that, your LED light strip, your computer, just everything could match perfectly. So the next thing is you can get posters or paintings of the things or games you like. This adds some personality to your setup, and you can match the theme with the Funko Pops. So you have Wonder Woman Funko Pops, then you can get a Wonder Woman poster or painting to hang up on your wall behind your setup. The last thing, and the most important thing, is cable management. This is free, but it makes a huge difference. It's also very time consuming to do, but I would definitely recommend doing it. It makes your setup look way more clean. You can just use zip ties or electric tape to bunch your cables together and hide them under your desk, possibly stuck to the top of the desk so no one can see them when they're walking into your room or gaming room. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more videos like this with Fortnite background gameplay, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more quality content every week. Bye guys!